chocolate is 7 out of 10. To you.
Well, that picture right there, let's get them Photoshop him or something.
Y'all mama say ASAP Rocky is handsome. I think he look like Rihanna's baby daddy.
So that picture is nice. Yeah.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. We are in the airport again. You know how we get down with the get down, okay? We back. We in the airport. We just landed in Athens, Greece. We are here for 12 days on a tour. Super excited. I am so excited to try like the food and like just be real like Grecian or something. I don't know. Let's see. Is that a thing? I don't know. But we are waiting for we're at baggage claim waiting, and then I think we meet up with the tour here at the airport. But I'm super excited. I cannot wait to show you all the adventures of Greece. Okay, I'm excited. Let's go. People, we are checked in the hotel. Let me see, 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 for the hotel so far. It's 3 of us in the room, so it's a little small, but we're making it work. We are about to go meet the rest of the people that we're touring with on this tour, and then go have dinner. Quick little outfit change. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna walk to the restaurants. Thank you though. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is day 2. It is October 8th. It is 7:10 a.m. like local time. I think like we're 6 hours behind like Eastern Standard Time. But we are getting up. We are about to go have breakfast, and then we are going to an attraction. Not sure what, I forgot. So super excited. Let's go. So we'll see what it looks like inside. Oh dang, it's a long line. This is the oldest theater in the world. It's not, huh?
I got dirt on it.
And it's not usable. They don't use it anymore, but it is the oldest theater. That's amazing. It's so simple, but yet so like elegant.
Yes.
Yay! The nameless. I never had coffee soda before. It's so good. Like it's strong, but it's not like bitter. Like it doesn't have like that bite at the end. Because a lot of times. What is this? This is our hotel where we're staying. I'm actually walking back down from the hill because our room keys do not work. So I'm walking back down to see if we can get some room keys. But this view is beautiful. This island has been beautiful so far. We went to the town earlier today to just shop around. We have Pandora bracelets, and so we like to get charms from Pandora, so we were able to do that today, so that was fun. And then just look at the view. And then we have dinner tonight, planned for tonight, so we will go to dinner this evening, and then probably just relax for the rest of the day. So yes, so far so good. The sun feels amazing. It feels so good out here. This hotel actually has a pool. I'm about to show you the pool really quick. So it has a pool, and then we're actually like on a beach. This beach has like stones, like rocks. It's not like a sand beach, but we are on a beach. The beach that we're going to will have sand though, so we'll see. So this is a room tour really quick. Boom boom boom. My mom is wiping everything down with bleach. You know how we get down. Toilet.
This is what I want me, one of these.
Toilet. Y'all, the best part is the view. So this is a 3-person room. Again, this is much better than the one that we had in Athens. This is more spacious, but 10 out of 10. Look at this view, baby. Look at the view. Oh my gosh. Paradise. Amazing. Amazing. Dinner. We are at dinner. It's a lamb leg, right?
It's a shank.
A shank.
Yeah, that's what they call it.
A lamb shank. Let me tell y'all what I think about it.
And this should be tomatoes. And little tomatoes.
Oh, that's tomatoes.
Tomatoes and tomatoes.
What? 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. My camera about to die. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back in the room. Hopefully.
Go. Yeah. What's that?
A cat?
Oh, no.
It's good. Sexy lady. You're not getting that, Mom? We're still in paradise. Oh, paradise. Very beautiful. gonna be very gritty, and I think I'm gonna get me like those steamed mussels look good. I think I'm gonna get that. I want something green, but I don't want to spend. Maybe I'll get the cucumber and tomato for $8. And I may get a bruschetta, the Mediterranean, with the cucumber, tomatoes. I don't know what feta puree, olive oil, olives. I don't know what that is. So we at a restaurant on the beach. It's beautiful. The ambiance is amazing. They got a cat problem. And the food is 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. My mom, she liked her pork chop.
And they ate the fries.
Yeah, and we got full off the fries. I had a smoked salmon wrap with cucumbers. 0 out of 10. My cousin had a turkey sandwich with a half a piece of turkey.
A slither.
On both sides.
And she's resorting to eating cucumbers now.
Yeah. And now she's eating the cucumbers.
So that was all the sandwich. It was a cucumber sandwich.
Right. And they have a cat problem.
I don't know what the deal at, because there's no deal on that.
0 out of 10. It's Greek traditional cuisine. And they didn't even have any gyros. Is it gyros? Gyros? They didn't even have any of those. So that means tonight we gotta eat something good.
So are we gonna go downtown?
Downtown or to the market? Or is there 2 different places?
What you mean?
Are the markets downtown?
I guess it's a downtown where the harbor was.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the plan. Like we go back, take a shower, and then go down there, right?
So about 7.
No, I thought the bus left at when does it leave back again?
If we get to 5, the next one won't leave to 7.
Oh. Well, you gotta give us some time to get in there, shower, dress. Sorry.
I need to learn how to do that.
Get my B-roll. Yeah, I guess in a town. They call it like the harbor. So I'm about to have dinner. What is it? Mussels. Yes, have some.
I'm gonna dip your bread in that.
We just finished eating dinner here in the market. I would say 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. I just got some clams and a salad. I just got a clam and some clams and salad. 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is So today we are still in Mykonos. That's how you pronounce it. Y'all have been struggling with that name. Mykonos. Because it's not said the way it's spelled. But so we're here. Today is actually our last day here. Yesterday we went to the beach and then we went to town to do a little shopping, and then we ate in town. Today we're kind of taking it easy. I'm about to have a spa day, so I'm about to go to the spa. Once we finish with the spa, we're gonna go back into like the city, and we're going to go eat and maybe do just a little bit more shopping, but just a really relaxing day, enjoying the views. The views are beautiful here. The water is beautiful. It is quite windy, as you probably can hear. It is quite windy outside, but other than that, like, this is beautiful. This island is amazing. Mykonos. So yep, I'm about to go have a little bit of a spa day and then go to the town. So let's go. That ginger beer,
I would love that ginger beer.
10 out of 10.
Do you?
It tastes like, yeah, that tastes like a wine. It's windy out here, but that sunset looks so divine. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, good morning. Today is our last day at Mykonos. It is October the 12th at 8:56 a.m. here. We're eating breakfast, and then after breakfast, we are going to go back and get on the ferry that we came over to this island with, and we are headed to Santorini.
What time you have to be outside?
9:15.
9:15. We were somewhere around there. Okay, all right, great. We were thinking 9:50, and I'm like, I don't think it's 9:50.
I think that's the time of the ferry, if I'm not mistaken. Whether you have to just take her to what she has on there.
So yeah, we're just having some breakfast. Have a little bit of coffee. So the weather here has been okay. Yesterday, and today is super duper windy. When we go outside, I'm gonna show you how windy it is. It's like crazy windy. But the sun is still shining, and in the sun, like, it feels amazing, but it's just super windy. So yeah, I had a good time in Mykonos. The water was beautiful. The water was super cold. We got in the water, the sea water, but it was really beautiful. And then we just did shopping here. So when we go to Santorini, we do have like some tours planned and some other like excursions lined up. But this was nice just to kind of relax and let our hair down in the island. So today will be a day of travel. We do have a tour lined up when we get to Santorini. So definitely we'll take you all along the ride there. And then we'll see what the rest of the trip is. Cheers. in. We are in. Dang, what's this place? Century. I don't know why I always forget. Hopefully we're about to go have lunch. I think it's like 3 something here. The weather is beautiful. The views are amazing. And oh my goodness, it's just perfect here. So we'll see. Let's go. This is our favorite meal. Delicious. That right there? Thank you.
In the boat? Yes, there is. Some places change in and out of your bathing suits in the boat, absolutely.
A pomegranate tree.
Who knew? Did you know they grew on trees?
I did.
And what's this? But you know key limes too are little like this.
Are they?
Yeah, you know like the little key limes, they're green like that.
Oh yeah. Shoot.
Uh-oh, look.
I said, oh shoot.
Look. Oh, look at
He done jumped up there.
like they may live here for real.
They look like but I was wondering what this was right here. So I guess like a little, like something off of something.
Yeah, like a tree branch or something.
Come on down and you tell where you are.
What you mean? Like where we came from?
Yeah. Oh, did we come from right there?
Uh-huh.
What she said they was in 4 or 3?
I don't know.
I don't think so. Oh, those are real cute. Oh, those is leather.
Yeah, that's cute right there. Isn't that cute? Good luck. That's cute.
They can tell you what it means. Oh, look at that little chambers. They say what?
Good luck.
Tell you what it means.
I like that. If I don't see another one, I'm gonna come back and get this. Well, they proved us wrong. We thought they didn't have any cats, and they do. Not only do they have them, they feed them.
Just like the rest of them.
My mama say just like the rest of them. Well, the cats gotta eat somehow. You don't want them to eat your food, do they? So you can't really tell because it's dark. So, but I will try a black sand beach, and that's because this is volcanoes, and the volcano, like under us is a volcano, and that's why the sand is black, because of the volcano. But this is black sand. It is absolutely beautiful. Y'all, they got the Starbucks in the cup. What's happening? Come on, US.
Just get on it.
I think they have stray dogs here too, so they have. Yeah, cause them 2 dogs that we saw was the yeah. Said they get them smacked enough, huh? beautiful people. Good morning, good morning. We are day 2 in Santorini. It's a beautiful day. Check out my little fit. I feel like I'm looking real Greek-ish. We are headed to go and to breakfast. First off, we're headed to breakfast. It's very early in the morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We're headed to breakfast, and then we're headed to another little town to tour, and then we're going to a winery today. So I'm super excited about our activities. Yes, Santorini has been beautiful. Last night we went to the town. They have black beaches here. I cannot wait to show you the black beaches because they are beautiful. So I can't wait to show you those in the daylight, because yesterday's footage was like really not good. So I can't wait to show you that. But yes, so we are here in Santorini, and we're just about to see what this Greek Ellen has to offer us. We're about to eat breakfast right now, so let's see what we got.
Best view that we have on the island.
That's beautiful.
Being your life's work?
Nope.
Me neither. But somebody found this fight fascinating. Do you know how meticulous you had to be to put that thing right there back together? Huh? Why?
They said those brown things are clay seals. That don't even look like that stuff.
Get it, mommy. Go, mommy. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Go, mommy.
God's a blessing us today. All I can tell you is you have a beautiful day for a cruise on the Volcano. Beautiful. The sun is hot, not just out.
Headed to get on the boat to like tour Santorini. I see. And it's like a little pirate boat, so yeah.
They're all getting in the selfie.
Do it on this. All right. Before. All right, we're gonna see.
Put that up.
Yeah. All right, so this is the moment we've been preparing for. This is the moment we purchased the shoes. We saw the before pictures of the shoes. Let's look. White, crisp, shell toe Adidas. All right, we're gonna see. Climbing up the volcano in Santorini. Super excited.
My people, you go through that side. Everyone else, if you're paying by credit card, you come here, cash over there.
Means are you okay? The answer is όλα καλά. Πες τώρα και θα σου δώσω τα 5 ευρώ μετά. Όλα καλά, exactly. Όλα καλά. So let's try this. Όλα καλά.
Όλα καλά.
You're now fluent in Greek. Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, the first and biggest island of Santorini is this one. The Halfmoon Island behind you is called Thera. Let me show you the major villages on the northwest side of the island. The famous village of
So we're back on the boat and we're about to go to the spring, the mineral spring. Got ready. Okay. I got my head thing on. I'm sorry. Girl, there's way too much in me. I'm sorry. Oh, this is me. You should always. Come back up. Woo. The story of the shell toe Adidas. They are done.
Just gotta get my pen back because this is my emergency pen.
And they are going to stay here in Santorini, okay? Thanks. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is Sunday. And we are leaving Santorini. Santorini was amazing. I had an amazing time there. We're at the airport and we're leaving Santorini and we are flying back into Athens. And so we'll be in Athens tonight and then we fly back home tomorrow. So we are going through the airport in Santorini, which is going to be an experience. I'm excited about this because when we came over here, we did the ferry. So now we're flying back to Athens. So we have truly been able to experience a little bit of everything, which is great. So we did have to get here 3 hours before our flight. And I think that's just because we're traveling like with a large group. So we just, like, the tour guide just wanted to make sure everything was kind of situated with everyone. So we are here extra early. I'm gonna try to bust out some work for the spa while I'm here. Maybe watch a movie or something like that, but we're here like 3.5 hours early. And the flight is like 30 minutes. So yeah, we're checking bags now. And yeah, so let's go. So we just got through TSA here in Santorini. Same level of anxiety going through TSA, okay? They don't play over here either. So now we're just walking around. Like I said, it's like a 3-hour wait, so we're not in a hurry to pee anywhere. I saw this really cute ring that like this designer here in Greece made, and it's a volcano flower, but it was a ring. So I'm gonna see if right there, she in there. So I'm gonna see if I can find it and see how much it is. Did you buy the spoon thing?
No, I didn't buy that. I found that in Jamaica, so.
Oh, okay. Mine's 10 out of 10.
Of course you're gonna say it.
Was it 10 out of 10? What is it?
I don't know, but that sauce is good.
Listen, food better be 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Oh boy.
Some here, blue lines, not part.
Made it to the restaurant. Headed home tomorrow morning. Greece has been amazing. Look at this beautiful just